Good day, children. Today we are going to learn second topic, that is addition and subtraction. All of you are very well aware about what addition means. Addition means combining all the numbers together. So let us first revise our grade 3 content of addition of 4-digit numbers. So here I'll show you a short video with a recap of addition of 4-digit numbers.
The addition of 4-digit numbers. Hi John, how are you? Hi, I'm fine. What about you? I am also fine. Hey John, do you know the addition of 4-digit numbers? No. No problem, I will teach you. Okay. First we take two numbers 5456 and 4262. We first place these numbers one over another in a place value table and add them from the unit place. As here 6 and 2 are at unit place, so we first add 6 plus 2, which gives us 8. So we put 8 in the answer. Now we add next terms in tens place, that is 5 plus 6, which gives us 11 tens. We can write 1 at tens place and take 1 carryover to hundreds. Now we add hundreds, that is 1 plus 4 plus 2, which gives us 7. We place it at hundreds. Now we add thousands term, that is 5 plus 4, which gives us 9. John, can you guess the answer? Yes, it's 9718. You are right, John. Now you got the method of addition of 4-digit numbers.
So here we have seen there was an example shared, that is 5456 when added with 4262. You have learned with two methods, that is with regrouping and without regrouping. Any forms of addition you continue, the sum will remain the same. So here we have received the addition answer as 9718. So let us solve some examples based on 4-digit addition numbers. Here we have few questions, that is first we'll start with addition of 3-digit number followed by 4-digit. So let us solve the examples one by one. We note here the units place, that is ones place need to be added first. 9 plus 0 results to 9, followed by 7 plus 2 in the tens place is 9 again. 3 plus 5 hundreds is 8 hundreds. So we have got the answer as 899. Let us try the second question, that is 2841 plus 1875. So we note the answer by first adding the ones digit. 1 plus 5 results to 6. 4 plus 7 results to 11, where 1 is carried in the hundreds position. So 1 plus 8 plus 8 results to 17. Again 1700, 7 is in the hundreds and 1 is carried to thousands. 1 plus 2 plus 1 results to 4. So we have got the answer as 4716 as the sum. Let us try one more example of this sort. Addition of 2382 plus 1976. So we add first the ones. 2 plus 6 ones result to 8 ones. followed with tens place. 8 plus 7 is 15 tens. So 5 is brought down in the tens position and 1 is carried to hundreds. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 9 is 13. So 13 hundreds, we have 1 to be carried to thousands. 1 plus 2 plus 1 results to 4. So we have got the answer of this addition as 4358. Let us try one more, that is 5163 plus 4742. So the answer for this is 3 added to 2 is 5, followed by tens place. 6 plus 4 is 10, where 1 needs to be carried to hundreds. So 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. We again bring down the next, that is thousands. 5 plus 4 is 9. So we have got the sum as 9905. So in this way we have learned how to add 4-digit numbers. Let us go ahead with addition of 5 and 6-digit numbers. Here's a short video to introduce with you examples on addition of 5 and 6-digit numbers.
Addition. Addition gives sum or total. This is more than any of the given number. In the previous classes, we have learnt how to add 3 and 4-digit numbers. Now let us see how to add 5 or 6-digit numbers. Addition of numbers can be done easily by arranging them according to their place values. So let us arrange some of the numbers here. 4,73,516 plus 75,412 plus 3,58,723 plus 85,260. Now let us see how to add all these numbers. Let us add units place first. 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 11. Let us carry the digit 1 to the tens place. Now let us add the digits of tens place. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 11. Let us carry the digit 1 to hundreds place. Now let us add the digits of hundreds place. 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 19. Let us carry 1 to thousands place. Here, now let us add the digits of thousands place. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 22. Let us carry 2 to 10,000s place. Now let us add the digits of 10,000s place, that is 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 29. Let us carry 2 to lakhs place. Now let us add the digits of lakhs place. 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. Thus, the sum is 9,92,911. The answer of an addition is called the sum.
So here we have noted, while addition of numbers, you could see each of the numbers are placed accordingly in the place value charts. And then we start adding with units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and so on, wherein the carried number is carried to the previous position. Let us go ahead with few more tricks to add 5 and 6-digit numbers.
Alternate method. The same numbers can be added like this. Arrange the numbers in columns. First adding ones. 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 25. Adding tens, 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 10. Adding hundreds, 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7, that is equal to 25. Now adding thousands, 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 17.
Here you can see each row wise the answers are written according to the place values.
Find the sum now, that is 19,625. Horizontal method of addition. We can also add numbers horizontally, but we should denote the place values of each digit in every number. Look at the example. 123 plus 146 plus 2738. For this we have to do is add all the digits of units place first. That is 3 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 17. 1 tens and 7 ones. We carry 1 to the tens place. Add all the digits of tens place along with the carried digit. That is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 10. Let us carry the digit 1 to the hundreds place. Add the digits of hundreds place, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 10. Let us carry the digit 1 to the thousands place. Add the digits of thousands place now, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, the sum is 3007.
So in this way we have learned how to add 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Let us solve some examples with review of this video. So now let us solve addition of 5-digit numbers. Here you can see the question that states 35,782 to be added with 53,746. So let us solve the addition. We first add the units place, that is 2 plus 6 results to 8. 8 ones. 8 plus 4 is 12 tens. So 2 is kept in the tens place and 1 is carried to hundreds. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So we have 1 again carried. So 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Followed by 3 plus 5, that is 8. Let us go for more other examples addition. We have 78,209 plus 18,539. 9 when added with 9 results to 18, where 1 is carried. We get 0 plus 3 plus 1, that is 4. 2 plus 5 is 7. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 is carried. And 7 plus 1 plus 1 results to 9. So 96,748. 2 plus 8 results to 10. 1 is carried. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. So 13 tens, 1 carried. We have 8 hundreds. 8 plus 9 is 17. So we have 17 thousands. 1 is carried. We have 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 67,830. Let us solve more examples with addition of 6-digit numbers. So here we are going to add the numbers in the ones place. 3 plus 4 is 7, followed 2 plus 6 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7, 6 plus 0, 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So we got the answer as 6,56,787. Let us try for one more example. That is 4 plus 0 results to 4, followed with tens. 2 plus 8 is 10 tens, so 0 in the tens place and 1 is carried. 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Similarly, for the next one, 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 is carried. We have the next 4 plus 2, which results to 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is 9,97,160. In this way, we have learned how to add 5 and 6 digit numbers. Now, let us discuss on the properties of addition for 5 and 6 digit numbers. So here's a short video to explain properties of addition.
Today's lesson is on properties of addition. We can use certain properties to help us solve problems easily. There are 3 different properties. Please write all of them down into your notes with the examples. The first one is the commutative property. The commutative property says the orders of the addends does not change the sum. For example, 4 plus 5 equals 5 plus 4. Both of those equal 9. 6 plus 7 equals 7 plus 6. Here we have 24 plus 36. What do you think is in the box? You're right, 36. The commutative property just switches the order of the addition. It does not change the sum at all. The associative property is also known as the grouping property. This is the way that the addends are grouped. It does not change the sum. It doesn't matter which order you do it in. Most of the time, when you're talking about the associative property, you're talking about 3 or more addends. Here they've grouped 6 plus 7 on the left-hand side of the equal sign, and then added 9. On the right-hand side, they grouped 9 plus 7, and then they added 6. Do you still get the same answer? 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. 9 plus 7 is 16. And 16 plus 6 is 22. So you both get the... Here's another example. Let me write this one out for you. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2, and that equals 10. Over here, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So they've just changed the order of how they were going to add. In this one, 21 plus 37, they did first and then they added 1. What number did they actually change to add last on the right-hand side? They added 37 plus 1, and the one we're missing is 21. Very good. The last property is the identity property of addition. In this property, it says the sum of any number and 0 equals the number. For example, 6 plus 0 equals 6. 21 plus 0 equals 21. So if I had 1,521 plus 0, what would my answer be? 1,521 is correct.
So in this way, today we have learned what are the properties of addition. So let us solve some examples and derive the properties for the same. The next property of addition that comes is the successor. Whenever any number is added by 1, we get the next number that is called as the successor. For example, 93,314 when added with 1 results to 93,315. While when we add 10, 100 and 1000 to any given number, the place values of each respective places shall increase by 1. For example, 54,932 when added with 10, it will be as 3 would be increased in by 1 since it is in the tens position. So answer would result as 54,942. 72,594 plus 100, the hundreds place is increased by 1, resulting to 72,694. 44,927 plus 1,000 results to 45,927, where 4 is increased by the next digit, that is 5. Now, let us solve some examples on the same. Four lakhs 32,951 when added with answer with 0, the answer would be 4 lakhs 32,951. That is, the number remains the same itself. Similarly, if we add 1,22,434 by 100, the hundreds place will be increased by 1. So the answer results 1,22,534. Whereas when 10 is added to any number, the tens place is increased by 1. That results to 6,59,742. In the other case, when a number is added with 1000, the thousands digit needs to be increased. So it shall result to 2,55,327. In the first property, as we learn whether the order is changed, still the sum would remain the same. So 36,821 plus 32,454 is equal to 32,454 plus 36,821. When a number is added with 1, we receive the next following number that is called as successor, 7,63,952. So in this way, we have learned how to represent the properties and identify the sum for the same. Now, let us learn how to solve story sums on addition. So here is an example to introduce addition of numbers.
3 tankers carried 25,340 litres of petrol, 22,850 litres of diesel, and 8,695 litres of oil. How many litres of liquid did the 3 tankers carry in all? Now, let us begin solving this problem. To find the answer, let us write the statements first. Litres of petrol. Tanker 1 carried 25,340. liters of diesel tanker 2 carried 22,850. Liters of oil tanker 3 carried 8,695. Now let us add these numbers to get the answer. Thus, the total number of liters of liquid carried by the 3 tankers, 56,885 liters.
So in this way, we have learned how to add the numbers based on the story sums. As the word specifies total, that states that we have to add. Let us solve one of the story sums. Here's a question that states, Karan has spent rupees 38,940 on grocery and 20,050 rupees on paying various bills in the whole year. What amount has he spent in all? Yes, here, as you can see, two amounts are being spent and we need to find the together what it is. So we would be adding this quantity. So let us solve this by writing the statements for the given example. So the answer is amount spent by Karan on grocery is rupees 38,940. Whereas, let us see the remaining examples what we get. Amount spent on remaining bill is rupees 20,050. So let us find the total amount spent by him. Total amount spent is equal to 38,940 plus we have 20,050. So while addition, we write the answer as first adding the tens ones place 0, nines place, the tens place is 9, 4 plus 5, hundreds 9, thousands 8 and 10,000 is 5. So we get the answer as 58,990 rupees is spent in all. So in this way we have learned how to add the numbers. Also we have noted using the properties of addition to find the sum, and we have also learned how to comprehend the examples on addition and find the sum. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.